Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I just wanted to say, we do work on a lot of Tiffins, and back in the day, we used to be a Tiffin authorized warranty station, and I also met Bob Tiffin and spoke to him a couple times to harass him. But anyways, if you still have a Tiffin, we do some of the work on it. However, they were no longer doing their warranty work on it anymore. You have to be a selling dealership in order to do that. But if you have a Tiffin and you need some help, we're here to help you. We have a bunch of different Facebook groups online where we post a lot of the pictures and old posts when we work on them and do different things to these Tiffins. So if you need anything, give us a holler. But I just wanted to let you be aware that we do work on a lot of higher end motorhomes. We even get a bunch of Newells in here, so we're actually on the website for Newell. And if you haven't checked out those motorhomes, they run anywhere from, say, I don't know, 1.5 million to 2.5 million. A lot of times we don't post those because usually the people, don't want their unit to be known that it's in here. And so a lot of times we won't get to meet the owners because they usually have a driver come in and drop it off and pick it up. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, but I just want to let you know that if you're in need, we've got you covered. Thanks so much for watching.